Alright guys, welcome back to my third YouTube video. Today I'm going to be going over how I started reselling with only $0 as a teenager um, earlier this year. So here's a little proof of what I've been able to do over the past couple of months. I've been consistently scaling to over $20,000 this month. So for step one, how I actually got started is you need to look for something around your own home, and um, you need to identify items that you don't use or someone you know doesn't use. Like these are my actual pictures of things that I started with. I sold these old shoes that I didn't wear, my old Xbox controller, this old speaker, off around $40 to $50, but it's a really good starting point if you can just find some items like this. Here's a couple more examples. Trading cards is a big thing. If we go over here to my early eBay orders, if you see here, literally I sold most of my Pokemon card collection. Here's another speaker here, that controller I was talking about. Yeah, but all these Pokemon cards I sold. Um, Another big thing is old clothes. This also will set you up for the future of your Depop account if you can get like I got like 40 or 50 sales before I even started reselling with all these old clothes or my family's old clothes that people didn't use anymore. And of course, it was good money as well to start out with. But yeah, any of these things will work. Once you find the things, as I just said, list them on eBay or Depop or Facebook Marketplace. I don't actually have any experience in Facebook Marketplace. I know it works really well, but I just live in a pretty rural area, so there's not a lot of um, opportunity there. But these are my pictures of when I first started out. Once the item sells, all you have to do, people actually think you need a label printer. Like I have this fancy label printer right here, but when I first started out, you can just go to the post office and show them the barcode on the sale, and they'll actually print the label out for you and they'll ship it for you. So yeah, just go to your local USPS, local UPS, whatever you want to use. Um, but yeah, just continue doing this and kind of repeating this. Once you start getting enough sales, you can invest in a private supplier. Mine are only $10. You guys don't have to use mine, but they're only $10. They're also good because I've been through probably 7 or 8 of other people's suppliers, and these are the ones that I found work best for me. They ship in 1 to 2 weeks. They have super good quality. Like if we come over here to um, my Depop reviews, there's just like countless reviews of like how good the quality is on this stuff. Trust me, it's the best quality you can find. But yeah, just invest the money that you've made from selling things in your house into products from your private supplier. Continue doing this and scaling your reselling business. Keep reinvesting 75 to 100% of your sales back into product, and this will actually allow you to scale up to $20,000 a month, $10,000 a month, whatever your goal might be. You need to be reinvesting the money from your sales back into your products. If we come here, you can just choose what you might want to sell here. You don't have to use my vendors again, but it's a good starting point. Yeah, I've had a couple thousand people leave me reviews here. If we go down here, all these reviews. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. If you have a Pokemon card collection, again, that's a super good starting point. But yeah, super simple. Just find things like this around your house and list them online to sell. But that is going to be it for this video. If you guys have any other video ideas, please comment them down below. I'm looking to make a lot more tutorials and kind of sit down videos like this one. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any other ideas for videos, and or if you need help with anything, ask any comments down below. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.